Now, good morning, children of class 5. I have to do page 3. I have grammar. We are going a bit slow, but now we will go a little faster. I'm going to give you work every day, and then we are going to have summer vacation. Even during the vacation, I would like to do grammar with you all. Okay, now we are coming back to the conjunction part. Okay, now before we do the conjunction, like how I prepared you all with preposition, I want to prepare you all with conjunction. So, what is conjunction? The words that join conjunction are the words that join words, groups of words, or sentences. Two sentences there. Okay, so you're going to join that. They're like Mukul is going to school, Rakesh is going to school. Now you want to say it in short. So what will you do? What will you add? And you'll make it short. Like you'll say Mukul and Rakesh. Both are doing the same. দুজনে একই জিনিস করছে কিন্তু তো আমরা মিশিয়ে ওটা যখন বলবো when we mix and tell then we have to put a conjunctions, we have to use a conjunction. So we are going to say Mukul and Rakesh are going to school and we will use. Okay, now in that way we are going to do. So what are the conjunction, what are the words which can be used to make the sentences one short করার জন্য, which all sentences there? Like very common is and, but, because, okay, or, these are very common. And yet you have so, yet, if, when, all this you have. Okay, you have, as you're doing it, you'll come to know. Now, Mukul and Rakesh are going to school. Here and will be there. Okay, we need to buy fruits and vegetables. Duto jinish they are giving. We need to buy fruits, we need to buy vegetables. They are not saying that. We need to buy fruits and vegetables. So we are waiting for the bus and it began to rain. And here and duto sentence. We are waiting for the bus. Ekta alada sentence. We are waiting for the bus. And it began to rain. এটা আলাদা সেন্টেন্স। দুটো একসঙ্গে বলার মানে বাসের জন্য অপেক্ষা করছিলাম কিন্তু কিন্তু ইয়ে আসলো কি বৃষ্টি এসে গেলে, ঠিক আছে। Now in this way you're going to learn it. Okay, now but we were tired but excited about the safari. Okay, so we were tired, আমরা খুব tired ছিলাম, but we were happy to go out. ঠিক আছে, to go for a journey we were very happy. জার্নিতে যাচ্ছিলাম বলে we were tired ছিলাম, কিন্তু ক্লান্ত ছিলাম, কিন্তু to go out we were very happy. The room is big but not very airy. রুমটা বড় আছে কিন্তু that কিন্তু, parantu, and, or, because, কেন, all this will come. Okay, now or, now we are going to use or. Or is used when we talk choosing between two options, when two things are there. You want this pen or you want that pen, মানে এটা চাই দুটো, মানে দুটো জিনিস যখন কম্পেয়ারিং হয় তখন আমরা অর লাগাই, ঠিক আছে। আর দুটো সেন্টেন্স, একটা ভালো আর একটা খারাপ, আর না হলে একটা বলতে যাও কিন্তু আর একটা তোমাদের কিছু কীরকম লাগছে, দেন ইউ উইল ইউজ বাট। ডিড ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? আর দুটো জিনিস একসঙ্গে বলার জন্য ইউ উইল ইউজ and. When you want to say two things together, like two people are there or two things are there, you went and bought it or you did something with that, then you will say and. Then you will use and. When two things, two persons or two any noun is there together, then you'll use and. But you'll use but when you like one thing, but you have some problem with the other one. Kintu or একটা ভালো লাগে, একটা জিনিস ভালো লাগছে কিন্তু যখন আসবে মানে আর খারাপই লাগে, then you'll use that but. Now or you'll use when you have choice, যখন দুটো জিনিস সামনে রাখা আছে, you'll take this or you'll take this, you'll have cold coffee, you'll have hot coffee, ঠিক আছে, চয়েস থাকবে কোনটা। Because you will say, because you want to explain reason, কারণটা যখন দিচ্ছ, when you're going to give the reason for your sentence, then you're going to use because. Okay, so you're going to say so you're going to use when you're giving one excuse. Okay, I didn't go to school, it was raining so I couldn't go to school. It was raining, বৃষ্টি হচ্ছিল, তার জন্যে কারণ দেয়া, ঠিক আছে। যখন কারণ দেবে, when you're giving a reason, then you're going to use so. Yes, Now yet is used to show opposite things. Yet, opposite things you're going to say. She had a fever yet she approved. Opposite thing means অসুস্থ ছিল কিন্তু তার মধ্যে ও পরীক্ষা দিল. Yet she appeared for her exam. She was sick, but yet she appeared for exam. Did you understand? His train was late, yet he reached home at time. His train was late. ট্রেনটা দেরি ছিল. Yet ওর সাথ মানে उस पर भी ওকে ওর সাথেও ও বাড়িটা তাড়াতাড়ি চলে গেছে. Did you understand? If it rains tomorrow, এইরকম হলে अगर if का मतलब है अगर. I don't know in Bengali what to say, so I'm just saying in Hindi. If is used to join the two sentences, that is the condition of the other. Sentence is the condition. কালকে বৃষ্টি হলে আমরা এরকম করব. ঠিক আছে? তুমি স্কুল তাড়াতাড়ি পৌঁছে গেলে আমরা এরকম করব. Did you understand? That is the condition we keep. এরকম হলে ওইরকম করব, ওরকম হলে এরকম করব. Did you understand now? Okay. When is used to join the sentence when two actions or states are related in time. When I will leave when he completes his work. When two actions are going to be ও তাড়াতাড়ি লিখলে আমি ওকে ছুটি দেব. ও we were already late when we took the rickshaw. ঠিক আছে? তো দুটো অ্যাকশন একসঙ্গে হলে you use when. Did you understand now? Now these are the things you're going to write. Now I'll come back to the exercise. I've explained conjunctions. Now